Hello student, here we discuss oxymercuration, demercuration. I am Meena Dixit. Please subscribe my channel, get full information about chemistry. Here cyclohexene when react with mercuric acetate followed by water, A is obtained with the NaBH4, B is obtained. So when the reaction from cyclohexene to A, this is oxymercuration step. When this cyclohexene react with mercuric acetate, what will happen? So this is cyclohexene, this is mercuric acetate, this is Hg, OAC, OAC. Okay, now this pi electron move towards the mercury and there will be 3-membered ring will be obtained. Carbon mercury bond and carbon mercury dash I have written here. Here it is wedge form I have written. So what will happen over here? This is completely bonded. Here it is partially bonded to Hg. So what will happen over here? Since it is partially bonded, so partially positive charge will be there. No carbocation. Okay, only partially positive charge will be there. So water will be added attack to this. This is first nucleophilic attack. So okay, so this nucleophilic attack is going on over here. So what will happen? Here we will see that this bond will be break away and OH2 will be joined to this carbon. This bond will be, so this HgOAC is free now. Okay, there will be no positive charge now. Here this is having OH2 because OH2 nucleophile as it is joining to this electrophilic carbon. So what will happen now? This O is carrying positive charge, so it will not stable. So immediately second nucleophilic attack will be there. With this nucleophile take away one of the proton from here and form hydronium ion. Now this we are getting fully fledged OH group. Okay, so this is, since this is the wedge, so this is dash OH will be there. Why? Because they are anti-products. Addition of mercuric acetate is anti-addition. Okay, so and anti-product, two anti-product will be obtained because this Hg can attack to wedge side or on the dash side. To opposite side it can attack either side. That is why we can get two products. See here, I made two products, this and this. Anti-products are obtained, and NaBH4 replaces mercury. This mercury is replaced by NaBH4 by hydrogen. So we will get this cyclohexanol. Okay, so here cyclohexanol we will get over here. Okay, so this is also correct, this is also correct, but chain addition will never take place in this case, as I told you that it is stereo specific. It is stereo specific means stereochemistry is fixed. Clear to you? So in this way both of them are having opposite sides. OH and COH bond and CHG bonds are on opposite sides. Clear to you?